Today we are unboxing and reviewing this brand new sander. Let's see what it's all about. The packaging looks pretty solid. Let's open it up. It's bigger than I expected. Looks promising. Inside, we have got an instruction manual, one piece of sandpaper, and dust extraction connector. Also, some extra parts I'm not sure about yet. If you know what they are for, please let me know in the comments. The sander itself feels sturdy. It's got a good thick plastic body and comfy grip. The time when I posted this video, I already tested it on my walls. The sanding is smooth and the dust extraction works very well when it's connected with the vacuumer. Just make sure that holes on the sandpaper matches with the ones on the sander. The only downside is that it vibrates a bit, but it's manageable, I guess. Yeah. I like the motion activated start button. It's really convenient not having to hold it down all the time. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. You can use standard sandpaper, which is so great that you don't need to buy special ones and search for them. It's also pretty good value for the money. I paid for it only £21, which was the cheapest price to compare with the others. If you don't mind a little vibration, it's still worth considering. Remember, everyone's different, so check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.